Welcome back, children. Today I am back with you all with another video. Today in this video, I am going to explain you all the algebraic identities that we are going to use in the next exercise of the chapter polynomials that we have already started. You can see here I have written all the 8 identities. This is first, second, so on till 8. So I am going to explain all these 8 identities one by one. Actually, what are these identities? Algebraic identities are nothing but the formulas that we are going to use in the different sums, different questions. And the basic step how to learn these algebraic identities is that when you will practice more and more sums, gradually they all will uh, be there in your mind. The more you will practice, the more it will settle in your mind. So this is one way. Otherwise, the second way is that I will also guide you how to learn it in a simpler way. So let's start with the first identity. The first 3 identities are the similar, are the easy ones that we are doing in our previous classes also. The first is x plus y square, which is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. This we have used in class 8th also, and we have done number of sums related to these 3 identities. These are the normal basic identities. So next is the negative of the previous one. X minus y whole square will give us x square plus y square. So the only one change of sign is there from here. In the previous, it was plus. Now in this, in the negative identity of the same, you will have minus 2xy. The third identity is x square minus y square. This is also a very usable identity. You will see number of questions in the exercise which has related to this identity x square minus y square, which opens up and gives us x minus y into x plus y. So these are the 3 basic identities. Just brief you with one simple question. Suppose you are given like y square plus 9 plus 6y. So either in this way, or you can have in this way also, y plus 3 whole square. So in both the ways, the question can be there in the exercise. If you will see this question very carefully, it is what? It is y whole square plus 3 whole square plus 2 into x. What is my x here? My x is actually the first term, which is y. And my this next term is 3. So if you will see that this is written in this way only, y square plus 3 square, which is 9 plus 2xy. My x is y here and my y is 3 here. So you can have in any way, either you will be given this way and you have to write it back into this form that this is y plus 3 whole square, which is our first identity, x plus y whole square. Or you can be given in this way also. You just have to open it using the identity. But more chances are that you will have such type of questions in the exercise, because these types of questions you have already done in class 8. So this is our first identity. Now, if the sign is changed here to minus, so obviously the identity will change it to this. I'll write it here minus, and this will be minus, and then it will be y minus 3a whole square. So that's our identity number 2, x minus y whole square. And the third identity, it can be given in the form of like y square minus 9 by 4. So if you will see this, it is written in the form of y square minus, it is the square of 3 by 2. So if you will see that this is given in this form, which can be further written as y minus 3 by 2, which is our x minus y, and this other term will be y plus 3 by 2. So this is how we use the third identity. Most of the times the question will be in this way. You are given in this way. You have to find the identity, which identity goes for the given question. Accordingly, you will solve it. So these are the first 3 identities, which are the basic identities that we have already used in class 8. Let's come to identity number 4, which says, first let me just rub this. The fourth identity says x plus a, bracket close, and the next bracket is saying x plus b, which will give us x cube plus bracket a plus b into x and plus ab. Now, what are these ab? ab's are the constant values which are given in the question. Let me give you one example. Suppose you have x plus 3 and you have x minus 2. Now you see this question is according to this fourth identity, because here x is the first term, a is 3. So in this question we are given a as 3, and what is b here given? B is minus 2. So you are going to apply this fourth identity in this question, which will give us x cube plus, what is my a? A is my 3. And what is my b? My b is, sorry, it's minus 2. It's minus 2. So 3 minus 2 bracket close x plus a into b, which are my constant terms, 3 and minus 2. So when you will solve these, you will have x here. 3 minus 2 will give you 1 x. So you can simply write x plus, when you will subtract these 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6. And plus minus will give you minus sign. So here you have to write minus of 6. So this is our identity 4, which says x plus a into x plus b is equals to x cube plus a plus b into x plus a. I hope the fourth identity is also clear. Okay, when you will start the exercise, then you will see that there are a number of questions in this exercise number 2.4, that I will start explaining you in my next video. So with number of questions, you will gradually learn the identities. Now let's come to fifth identity, which says x plus y plus z. Now we have three variables here. So when we have three variables and its whole square will give you x square, y square, z square plus 2xy, 2yz and 2zx. So everything is in the positive. All the signs are positive here. So next, identity number 6. This is the cubic of this form. Now here in the first and second, we were having the square of x plus 5. But now if we will see that identity 6 and 7, they are the cubic of those two. X plus y whole cube will give you x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. All the signs are positive. Now in the next, we have the negative sign. So the sign will also change. X cube. Sign is changed from positive to negative. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So you can say that they both are similar, only the change of the sign is there. Okay. And this identity, they both identity can be written in one another way. When you will open the bracket, so this can also be there like x cube plus y cube. So when you will open this bracket, this will be multiplied with the first term plus 3x square y plus, now this will be multiplied with the second term also when you will open the bracket, which will give us 3x y square. So this way also you can have the questions in the exercise. You just have to recognize the identity. Same goes for identity 7. Here also you will open the bracket and you can have it in the form of x square cube minus y cube minus, when you will open this, you will have minus 3x square y minus plus, so it will be plus 3xy square. So this way also you can have these two identities, 6th and 7th. Let's come to the last identity, which says x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to, you are just going to add three variables. The first bracket says x plus y plus z, and the second bracket will have x square, y square, z square, and then the negatives of the product of the variables, x minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is the 8th identity that we are going to use in our next exercise. I hope all the identities are clear. Just giving you a recap of all the 8 identities. The first 3 are the basic ones. X plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy. X minus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Third identity, x square minus y square, which give you x minus y into x plus y. And fourth, x plus a into x plus b. A and b are the constants here. Open the bracket and you will have x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Fifth identity, it's x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. And the sixth and seventh, they are the similar ones. The change of sign is there. X plus y whole cube will give you x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. And the eighth is the negative of the previous one. And the last is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So there are 2-3 ways to remember the identities when you will speak again and again. In this way also you can memorize the identities. Second way is that once you will practice more and more sums related to the identities, gradually you will learn them. And third, you just see how they are opening. Third way is the more you will write it, the more you will speak, the more you will do the sums. This way it will you will memorize these identities in your brain. I hope you will go through these videos once again and just go through. In my next video, I'm going to start with the exercise, which is having number of questions based on the identities. Okay, thank you children. God bless you all.